how to preserve tomato or how to freeze tomatoes. Hello everybody, welcome to Seven Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. So today I'm going to show you how I preserve tomatoes. This is tomato that I harvest from the garden, and in order for me to be able to use it for later part of the year or for the whole year, I'm going to try to preserve it, and I'm gonna take you through the process of preserving the tomatoes. So if this is your first time to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna wash the tomatoes. So you wanna wash the tomatoes, and then we're going to cut the tomatoes and take out the seed. You can do it if you prefer. You can just blend it with the seeds, but we usually take out the seeds and then blend it. But also at this time, if you intend to save seeds, you can definitely take out the seeds like this, put them in containers, wash them and dry them, and you're able to get seeds for next year. So you can go through your varieties of seeds that you have, and then just take out the seeds that you need. That way next year you don't have to buy seeds. So we're gonna take out all the seeds on all of them, and then we just blend them, and then we'll go from there. So right now just take out as many of the seeds out of there as possible. Then we're just gonna blend it. So now we put everything in the blender, and just you can add a little bit of water, or you can just do it like that. You don't have to add water, but just to make the process go a little bit faster, I'm just gonna add a little bit of water, then now blend it. So what I'm gonna do next is put everything in a pot like this, and then just put it on a stove. So I put it on right now. Once you put it on the stove, I put it on high heat at the beginning, just so that it's able to bubble out and get out as much of the reduce as much of the water as possible. Then later on, I put it on low heat and just turn it regularly every couple of minutes. And after that, we're just gonna add a little bit of oil, just so that it doesn't stick to the bottom, and it also provides some good consistency. So you can put a little bit of oil there, or you can just do it without oil, that's fine. Also, you can put a little bit of salt, like a tablespoon of salt if you want, but I'm not gonna put salt on this one, but you can put a little bit of salt. That way it's nice, and you can also help preserve the tomatoes. So next thing, you want to just keep stirring. At this stage, you want to make sure that you stir as regularly as possible, so that it doesn't get burnt at the bottom of the pot. So you just want to make sure you stir regularly, and also reduce the temperature. You can cover it slightly with a cover, but you want to make sure you keep stirring it, and if you're covering it, you cover it slightly. So now this is it. It's all set. You let it cool after a couple of hours. Let it cool down completely. Then we're gonna put them in Ziploc bags. We're gonna put them in small Ziploc bags. You can put them in smaller bags based on what you want to use or how you're gonna use it, or you can put them in a little bit bigger Ziploc bags like this, and then freeze them. That way you have tomatoes for the rest of the like winter and spring season. You have tomatoes that you saved, and you're able to make various dishes and add it to other things like pasta and pizzas and other stuff that you can definitely use a tomato paste for. So definitely something that it definitely helps. We're able to eat this throughout the year, and able to save money that way. So definitely something, if you haven't tried it yet, try it. So what you want to do next is you want to lift them up, and so you take out the air before you seal it, so that it doesn't have a lot of air inside. So we're just gonna lift them up and let them settle down. Next thing you want to do is you want to seal it and make sure that there's no air inside. And the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna identify. You're gonna write the name, tomatoes, and the date before you put it in the freezer, so that you know when it was put in the freezer. That is it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll try to answer as many questions as possible. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and happy growing and savings.